Papu, Kanna, listen here. This is Ruby Teresa. Arrange the following rational numbers in ascending and descending order. So, these are all rational numbers because this is in the form of P by Q. So, when you want to arrange the numbers in ascending or descending order, what is the condition? Yes, the denominator should be same. You have to make the denominator, same denominator. So to make the same denominator, how will you make it? Yes, what is the procedure? Yes, finding out LCM. Finding out LCM. So first you see the numbers minus 5 by 12, minus 11 by 8, minus 15 by 24, minus 7 by minus 9. This is nothing but what? 7 by 9. Next one is 12 by 36. Suppose you bring it in the standard form. I told you what is meant by standard form. Standard form na ennan sollirken. Standard form na ennadu? In the denominator you should not have very good negative symbol, minus symbol. There should not be minus symbol. Understand? So, but common factor I didn't say. Only thing here, what you can do it. Try to remove this minus symbol. Since both are minus, numerator and denominators are minus, minus 7 by minus 9. So, when it is multiplied by minus 1, what will you get? 7 by 9. Many students you are doing cancel. No. Actually, it is not the correct procedure. Correct procedure. If it is multiplied by minus 1, then you will get 7 by 9. But it is understood. So, we are doing like that. Understand? So, what is the number here? What are you getting? Very good. Minus 5 by 12. Next one is minus 11 by 18. Minus 15 by 24. Next one is 7 by 9. Next one is 12 by 36. 12 by 36 because this is the given numbers. So this is nothing but 7 by 9. Why? I want to take the LCM. So while you are taking LCM, it is better to avoid this negative symbol. It is okay. So you write the numbers. What are the numbers? 12, 8, 24, 9, 36. Understand? Since I told you don't try to reduce this. No. Just standard form means only thing. Otherwise you forget about the standard form. In the denominator, you should not have a negative symbol while you are taking LCM. While you are taking LCM, no need to have the negative symbol. Understand? So taking LCM. LCM எடுக்கிறோம் நம்ம. LCM எடுக்கும்போது என்னது இந்த denominatorல negative symbol இல்லாம இங்க number எடுத்துக்கோங்க. சரியா? Is it okay? Right. What number it is better to take? Better to take 4. But as usual, let us go from the least to table. Because most of the numbers are even numbers. Isn't it? So 6 2s are 12. 4 2s are 8. 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4. 9 is not divisible. It won't be exactly divisible, isn't it? So 9 you write as it is because it is not exactly divisible. So next one is 1 2 is 2, remainder 1 16, 8 2s are 16. Is it okay? Next one. Again, which number you can take? Very good. 2. Because many even numbers are here. So 3 2s are 6. 2 2s are 4. 6 2s are 12. Yes, tell me. 9 is not exactly divisible by 2. Right? Do you follow? You will get the remainder. So you should not take 2. So write 9 as it is. 9 2s are 18. So which table now you can take? 9 9 6 3. Very good. 3 table. It is better to take 3 table. 1 3 is 3. 2 is not divisible by 3. So 2 write as it is. Next 2 3s are 6. Next 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. So here 2 2. So again you can take either 2 or 3 table. Which one you want you can take. So 2 table I am taking. So 1 let me write as it is. 1 2 is 2. 1 2 is 2. Next what? 3 is not exactly divisible by 2. So 3 you write as it is. 3 you write as it is. Now which table? Very good. 3 table. You tell me the answer. 1 comma 1 comma 1 comma. Understand? Next one is what? Yes, 1 3 is 3. 1 3 is 3. So finally you got 1 1 1 1 like that, isn't it? So these are the numbers you have to take. What is the LCM? What is the LCM? LCM equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 3. 2 2s are 4. Otherwise, if you want to do it in steps also, you can do it. 2 2s are 4. Next, you write the remaining as it is. Next, 4 3s are 12. Next, 12 2s are 24. Next, 24 into 3. 4 3s are 12. Remainder 1. 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 1, 7. So, 72. LCM is what? 72. Very good. So you have to make this denominator into 72. So first what is the number here? Minus 5 by 12. So here only you have to take. Just for understanding I did this. Understand? So this is the number they have given. So 12. Understand? So why I did step by step, now you will come to know. ஏன் நான் இங்க step by step செஞ்சேன்னு தெரியும். 12. So by what number you have to multiply this 12? You see here 12 is here, no? 2 3s are 6. So 12 should be multiplied by 6. Then automatically this minus 5 also multiplied by 6. புரியுதாடா கண்ணா 12 6 ஆல மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணா என்ன கிடைக்கும் 72 கிடைக்கும். When you multiply this 12 by 6 you will get 72. So same way here, minus 5 into 6 plus into minus minus 5 6 are 30. Do you follow? So next number, next one is what? Minus 11 by 8. 1 by 1 also if you want to write also you can write it. Understand? So here 8. Understand? You see 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. Understand? So 8. What are the remaining number? 3 into 3. That means what? 9. So 8 should be multiplied by 9. Then automatically this minus 11 also should be multiplied by 9. Why? Numerator and denominators are multiplied by the same number. So 8 9s are 72. 11 into 9, 99. What 99? Minus 99. Plus into minus minus. 11 into 9, 99. Do you follow? So next number. Minus 15 by 24. 24 should be multiplied by 3. In order to get 72. 72 கிடைக்கணும்னா 24 3 ஆல multiply பண்ணணும். Do you follow? So 72. Here 15 into 3. 5 3s are 15. Remainder 1. 1 3 is 3. 3 plus 1 4. Plus into minus minus. So minus 45 by 72. Next one. Minus 7 by minus 9. Actually this is nothing but 7 by 9. But since they have given, I am writing as it is. No problem. So 9. I already told you. 8 is multiplied by 9. Then 9 is multiplied by 8. Do you follow? Actually, it is better to write what? Without minus symbol. Understand here? It is better to write what? Without minus symbol. That is better way. This is nothing but what? 7 by 9. 9 into 8. This is into 8. Understand? So 9 8s are 72. 8 sevens are 7 sevens are 49. 8 sevens are very good 56. So 56 by 72. Next one is what? 12 by 36. Let me write. Next one is what? 12 by 36. So 36 should be multiplied by doubling. 36 into 12. Into 2. Sorry, into 12. 36 into 2. If you don't know, just you can go here. Otherwise, you can write it here itself. 36 into 2 is 72. So 12 into 2 is 24. So 24 by 72. Understand? Ascending means what? Very good. What is it? Smaller to higher. Understand? Do you follow? சின்னதுலேருந்து பெரிய நம்பருக்கு போகும். From smaller to bigger. So you have to see what are the smaller one. That means while you are comparing positive and negative, negative number is the smaller number. That you know. உங்களுக்கு அது தெரியும். பாசிட்டிவும் நெகட்டிவும் வைக்கும்போது உங்களுக்கு எது ஸ்மாலர்னு நல்லா தெரியும். நெகட்டிவ் நம்பர் தான். அதே மாதிரி இதுல உங்களுக்கு தெரிஞ்சிடும் 24 இஸ் ஸ்மாலர் இல்லைங்களா? புரியுதுங்களா? சோ இங்க என்ன வரும்? 56. நம்பர் லைன்ல குறிச்சு பாருங்க. Next one is what? 24. Just you mark in a number line, then you will come to know. Here you have to write it. You will just you see 0, -1, -2, -3. Like this it will go on. Isn't it? So just you write this, then you compare and write. You won't make any mistake. That means what here? Minus, very good, 30. Next one is minus 45. Next one is minus 99. Do you follow? That means what in the denominator? By 72, by 72, by 72, by 72, by 72. Understand? Do you follow? Do you follow or not? So, which one is the smallest here? The symbol should be like this. Here, let me write it here. Let me write it. What is it? Minus 99 by 72, comma, minus 45 by 72, comma, minus 30 by 72, comma, 24 by 72, comma, 56 by 72. What symbol you will get it here? Very good. This is what? Lesser. This is less than symbol actually. So here you should not have comma. If you want to put the symbol, better not to put comma here. If you don't want to put comma symbol, no problem. Here. This is less. The symbol should be like this. இது மாதிரி இருக்கும் இல்லைங்களா? Right or right? Smaller to higher. This is nothing but what? Ascending order. This is what? Ascending order. But is this the final answer? No. The number what they have given, that only you have to write. What is the number for minus 99 by 72? Minus 11 by 8. Minus 11 by 8. Do you follow? This is less. Next to minus 45 by 72. What is the number? Minus 15 by 24. Next one is minus 30 by 72. What is the number? Minus 5 by 12. 24 by 72. What is the number? 12 by 36. 56 by 72. What is it? Minus 7 by minus 9. Because in the problem they have given like this. Understand? If you don't want to put the symbol here, no problem. Symbol போடணும்ன்ற compulsory கிடையாதுடி கண்ணு. நீ சிம்பிள் இது அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்டிங்காக மிஸ் போடுறேன். ஏன்னா டாப்பர்ஸ் கொஞ்சம் தெரிஞ்சுக்கணும். ஏன்னா இப்படி கேட்டாங்கன்னா 1 மார்க்ல கேட்கும்போது அப்ப ஆக்சுவலி வாட் இஸ் த ஆன்சர்? minus 11 by 8, minus 15 by 24, minus 5 by 12, 12 by 36, minus 7 by minus 9. So this is what? Nothing but ascending order. So this is the answer for ascending order. This is the answer for ascending order. Then descending order means what? This is smaller to bigger. This is what? Smaller to bigger. Next one is what? Descending. Next what they have asking? Descending order, isn't it? Descending order. That means what? This is the smaller one. This is the bigger one. Understand? So you have to write it in reverse order. You have to write it in reverse order. Understand? So bigger to smaller, smaller to bigger. Smaller to bigger means you have to go like this. Smaller to bigger. Smaller to bigger. Bigger to smaller means how you have to go? Like this you have to go. Bigger to smaller means isn't it? Bigger to smaller is this. So from here 56 by 72. 56 by 72 is nothing but what? Minus 7 by minus 9. 24 by 72 is nothing but what? Here 12 by 36. Next minus 30 by 72 is what? Minus 5 by 12. Minus 45 by 72 is what? Minus 15 by 70. 15 by 24. Minus 99 by 72 is what? Minus 11 by 8. Do you follow? So, but you see how we have to write it here. If you go in this way, then this is ascending. When you come in this direction, this will be descending. So, what is the answer here? Minus 7 by minus 9, 12 by 36, minus 5 by 12, minus 15 by 24, minus 11 by 8. This is the answer. Because this is same problem. Isn't it? This is same problem. So no need to again this and all. So now you have got ascending. Just if you write in reverse, then you will get the descending order. ஒரே கணக்கடிக்கன்னு சேம் ப்ராப்ளம் தான். அதனால அசெண்டிங் எழுதிட்டோம். அப்படியே இப்ப இந்த பக்கம் எழுதுறது ஜஸ்ட் அப்படியே ரிவர்ஸா எழுதினா என்ன வந்துரும் நமக்கு? டிசெண்டிங் ஆர்டர் வந்து. புரியுதாடா கண்ணா? புரிஞ்சுதா புரியலையா? ரைட்டா? இப்ப நல்லா இதுல அதே மாதிரி இதுல ஈஸி வேவும் நான் சொல்லி கொடுத்துருக்கிறேன். என்னன்னா இங்க பாருங்களேன் 36 டு ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் எல்சிஎம் 36 வருதுல இன்டு 29 அடிக்கணும் 72. First 36 is it divisible by all these four numbers? No. So now you are multiplying it by 12. 36 வந்து இந்த டேபிள்ல எல்லாம் மல்டிப்ளை டிவைட் ஆகுதான்னு பார்க்கணும். ஆகல. ஆனால் 72 ன்னு எடுத்துக்கோ. 72 is it divisible by 12? Yes. Is it divisible by 8? Yes. Is it divisible by 24? Yes. Is it divisible by 9? Yes. 36 it is multiplied by 12, automatically it will be divisible. Understand? So automatically you can find out the LCM orally. இந்த மெத்தட் தெரியாம இதையும் கொஞ்சம் டாப்பர்ஸ் கத்துக்கோங்க. If it is not divisible, then you go for 3. முடிஞ்சா அந்த லிங்க் நான் இதுல வைக்கிறேன். சரியாடி கண்ணு? So thank you.